Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for taking the time to join us for LiveTilesX, our very first online customer conference in the Asia-Pacific region. My name is Paul Keneally, Global Head of Communications for LiveTiles, and I'll be introducing the different sessions on the agenda today. And speaking of the agenda, let's have a quick run through to refresh our minds and see what's planned for the next 2 hours. Our opening session is with LiveTiles co-founders Carl and Pete, which will kick off in a moment. And this will be followed by a really special panel discussion with some LiveTiles customers who will be sharing their experiences about recent digital workplace challenges and how they overcame them. We also have a session providing current market insights from the region from our Senior Vice President in Asia Pacific, Owen Brandt. A much anticipated technology roadmap session from Chief Product Officer Simon Tyrrell, and a sneak preview of a super cool new solution presented by our Chief People and Experience Officer, Vanessa Ferguson. So lots to look forward to. But before we get started, a few small pieces of housekeeping. Please locate the Q&A feature on your screen. It's normally at the bottom of the screen. We'll be using this as the space for your questions and exchanging information. All of our teams here, ready to provide answers in real time, or to set up one-to-one discussions with you afterwards if needed. I will also be sharing several useful links throughout via the chat window, which is next to the Q&A window, so you can easily navigate your way to more information about the topic under discussion. We encourage plenty of questions and feedback, and after the event, we'll be addressing these in our future communications to you. Also, we'll be interspersing each session with a quick poll aimed at getting your inputs to help us shape our future customer events and communications, and we really appreciate this feedback.